Please listen carefully. We need your help. At approximately 3 o'clock, 4-year-old Caitlin Ramirez was abducted from 17501 Bridge Farmer Boulevard in Pflugerville, Texas. Caitlin Ramirez is a white female. She is 3 feet 6 inches tall, weighs approximately 40 pounds, has blonde hair and brown eyes. Caitlin Ramirez was last seen wearing a light red short-sleeved shirt, light red shorts, and white socks. The suspect is described as Eric John Ramirez, a white male, 40 years old, 5'8", 190 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. He was last seen traveling in an unknown direction. If you have seen this child or have information about the incident, please call the Travis County Sheriff's Office dispatch at 512-974-0845 and press option 3, or call 911 immediately. Possible vehicles include a maroon in color Chevy Camaro bearing license plate KBX7877, a gray in color BMW with dealer tags 20089Z9, a white in color GMC Yukon license JRV2702, and a small white in color Volkswagen SUV with unknown plates.